system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted. Specially warned receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. This is No Weather Radio Station WMG 629, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.45 megahertz with transmitting facilities in Van Buren County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Radio Warning Alarm Device. Receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the No Weather Radio Warning Alarm Device and Emergency Alert System. We now return to regular programming.